Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the auto-rotate is not working in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using A17, A37 or A57 and facing the issue that your auto-rotate is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to double check that you have enabled your auto-rotate from here. So here you can see there's a portrait. Once you have clicked it, it is switched to auto rotate. Now it's enabled, you can easily use the auto rotate. Or if it's not working for you after enabling auto rotate, your auto rotate is not working, just go to settings, and in settings just scroll down, look for software update, make sure that you're up to date, click on check for update to check for any pending software update, make sure that you're connected with the internet to check for software update. Now, once you have updated your software, it might be fixed if there will be any software update or any software glitch. And after that, you might not get this issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, just scroll down in Control Center, click on this power icon, click on Restart. Now click on this again to restart your phone. So once your phone has been restarted, it will fix your issue. If there will be any software glitch, any error, or any issue, it will be fixed in this app. After that, you can easily use your auto rotate. But the most important thing is here that if you are using auto rotate, so you have to keep in mind that your auto rotate won't work on your home screen. So if you are trying to rotate your home screen, it won't work here. You have to open your settings or any other app to use your auto rotate. So for example, you can see that when I am in my app, any of my apps, there's a settings app. So in settings app, I can easily rotate my screen. But on home screen, things are changed. You never can s- rotate your screen anywhere you swipe it left or right. But when you are using any app or you are in any app, you can easily rotate your phone or you can easily rotate your screen and use auto rotate feature. So you have to keep in mind that your phone not rotate your home screen. So in this way, you can easily fix your auto rotate issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.